Let's talk about being poor and unsuccessful. I once heard from Myles Munroe that if you want to be successful, do not seek success, but do seek to become a person of value. In other words, make yourself valuable and people will pay for you. Think about it. This is what we do with gold, silver, gasoline, and water. Our society has made these things valuable. Well, make yourself just like gold. In other words, develop a gift in your life. Some of us have multiple gifts to offer that has become so valuable to everybody else that people will pay you to perform it. How many mechanics you knew for years? Years. Or tire repairman. Every time your car breaks down, we call on them. We might laugh at them when we don't need them, but they are in their work. They are valuable. Can never be fired. These particular individuals can go on a job, do the job, price the job, then charge you a fee. That fee can be anything. Why? Because they have happened to God purpose for their lives, their work. You can be fired from a job, but never from your work. Your work comes from God, that it's inside of you. Just how a mango seed has a mango tree inside of it, a job, they teach you how to do. Questions to ask yourself. What is it that I do best with the least amount of effort? If someone had to think about something that reminds them about you, what would it be? If they never think about you, that means you never made yourself valuable. We have heard Yeshua talk while he talked with such confidence. I am the bread of life of any man. He made himself valuable to them. I am the water of life. If any man thirsts, in other words, anyone think of water, think about him. He was trying to get across his value to them.